All units going planetside, this is Pyre. Arc mission is a go. We're running the standard mission template, get the base up and arc dropped at the designated location and activate it. Good luck, troopers. And give the bugs hell. Mobile HQ is transmitting, and we have a fix on your location. Arc is en route.
This is Vulture 1. I have a lock on your base location, inbound with the payload. Clear the drop zone. Payload is on the ground. Vulture 1 is returning to the Earth.
More refineries locations on the TAC map. These resources are vital for the war effort.
Refinery activated.
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Be advised, Arachnid threat levels have risen.
Ready. Refinery activated. Refinery activated.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
ready.
Troopers, reinforcements are limited, so make sure you keep everyone alive down there.
Resources ready.
I got no ammo. Request
Special
immediate
delivery from
resupply.
Stone 1. We're dropping some 1055 rocket launchers in your location. The attack map is updated with their position.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. Warning. The Ark is under attack.
Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
The Ark is under attack.
Warning, arachnid threat levels have increased. Arachnid hive detected in your sector. Proceed to destroy it.
Warning. The refinery is under attack.
Brimstone 1, M11E Marauders inbound to your position. Check your attack map for the drop zone.
Higher to Brimstone 1. Ore levels sufficient. Time to move on. Keep up the pace and get that Ark online. Brimstone 1, we have ore refineries in your sector. Grab the ore and build up the base. On the bounce. Arachnid hive eliminated. Bugs are on the run. Attention. Reduced arachnid threat levels have been detected. Large arachnid patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Troopers! Gas refineries in your sector have been marked on the TAC map. Get the gas to power the Ark. On the bounce. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen. Brimstone 1, we have reports of plasma bombardment in the region. Check the TAC map for the coordinates.
Ark is at 75% The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Warning. Arc is at 15% hull strength.
Delivering grenade!
Arachnid Patrol has moved on from the AO. I'm afraid you lost your opportunity to intercept them. All DSV units, gas refinery locations verified. We need the ARC scanning ASAP.
Refinery is under attack.
A resource cache has been uncovered near your location.
Warning. The refinery is under attack. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Warning. The refinery is under attack.
Loading fresh mag.
Enemy Arachnid Patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce Arachnid threat levels in your AO. Attention! Elevated Arachnid threat levels have been detected.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
On the bounce, troopers. Plasma bombardment has subsided.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Refinery active.
Heads up! Grenade out!
Resources ready.
Engage the building!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Another mag! I'm bingo on ammo! Taking mags! Reloading! Taking magazine! Delivering grenade! Loading fresh
Large
mag!
Arachnid Patrol detected in the field. Its destruction is highly recommended. Emergency. Arachnid threat levels have
Reloading!
reached critical. Bug horde is inbound. Size indeterminate.
Huh?
The refinery is under
Taking magazine! Taking magazines! I got no ammo! Request immediate resupply! Engaging ability!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Heads up! Grenade out!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Reloading!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Changing mags!
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
I need another mag! I'm bingo on it!
Trauma stabilized. The
Activating
base is
ability!
under attack in the eastern quadrant.
I'm not gonna quit on you, Trooper. Get up and fight.
Cover me! Reloading!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Refinery activated. Resources ready. Refinery activated. Resources ready. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
That is the last one, Brimstone 1. Arc ready and powering up. The slam will bring every bug in your sector to you. Last chance to build any defenses. Get a move on, Trooper.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Troopers, you got 30 seconds until the arc slams.
Holding my back!
10 seconds left before the arc activates. Sonar pulse looks good. Arc is green across the board. Expect a lot of bug resistance. Defend yourselves. Pulse detected. Readings look good so far, Brimstone 1. I am detecting a lot of arachnid activity, so expect company. Brimstone 1. Drop what you're doing and head to the extraction point.
All received. Vulture 1 inbound for pickup. This is Vulture 1. Move to the designated LZ. On the bounce. In 30 seconds. Get in the ship or be left behind. Delivering grenade. Find your assigned seat. We're returning to the Gurren now.
Grenade going out!